Hi everyone, today we are here to review voice assist headphones by XECH, the A8 model. It's a very nice headphone for the price range they have launched it with. It's simply just for 2800 rupees. Guys, I have given the link to buy the product in the description box below. Do check it out to buy the headphones. The box comes with 4 things. The first one being a carry case, this one being of uttermost importance in case you're traveling. Because these are bigger headphones, of course one needs to have a case to exclusively carry them around when you're traveling. Plus, it has a aux cable and a USB charger. So it's very simple to charge this headphone. All you need is a micro USB. And yes, it also comes with an airplane audio adapter. Let's unbox the box. It comes with a very sleek packaging, if you can see. All you have to do is simply slide through. And here comes a beautiful box written XECH on it. As you can see, it's a very sturdy box, doesn't bend so easily. So these are the headphones which are there. A very nice rubbery look has been given, very sturdy and quite comfortable to hold, and definitely very comfortable to wear also. It has a very nice cushion, and you can see you have the control buttons on the left hand side. Let's see what else we have in the box. You can see we've got a micro USB charger, and we have got a USB adapter, and plus, and as I said, we've got the airplane adapter also. And it comes with a very small user manual. So guys, you've seen the headphones, the box, the unboxing of the product. Now you can see we've got the buttons on the left hand side. We've got the micro USB charger. Plus we've got the 3.5mm jack port. And you can see there's a light port also. So once you want to turn it on, you have to switch on the power button, which is the second button. You can also take a call very easily from this from the third button of this. You always can increase the volume or decrease the volume. Plus you can also skip songs in case you're not interested in listening to the current song. So let's turn on the headphones and try it out. Now that you guys have seen the product, we are going to connect this voice assist headphones with our phone. All you have to do is go to the settings, turn on the Bluetooth, and you'll get an option of XECH A8 headphones to connect these headphones with your Bluetooth. Once you have connected, you'll hear a sound connected. To connect, all you have to do is just long press the second button, and you can see blue light will be blinking in this option, which states that the phone has been in connected mode now. So let's plug in and hear some good music. Guys, a very good option this headphone gives you is 2 things. One, it gives you the flexibility to increase the size, as you can see. Plus, it also gives you the option to rotate the buds in case you want to. It gives a very smooth feel. Absolutely a very good add-on feature one needs to have in the headphones, one who's going to use in everyday life. So let's put it on and hear the music. One can simply lower the volume by pressing the extreme first button, and one can decrease the volume by pressing the extreme right button. One also has the option to take a phone call by pressing the third button, and if you are not interested in checking out the music anymore, simply press the second button and you have the option to turn off the music. Guys, you've seen the product, and now it says it's a voice assist headphones. Of course, they are worth it. They are easily connected to Siri, to Google Assist or Tona. So don't worry if you have an iPhone, don't worry if you have an Android or a Google phone. Definitely the headphones are going to connect with them, and you can simply use in your everyday life. So guys, it's a very good buy for the range they have come up into. So please check it out, buy the box, gift it to your friends. The link to buy the product has been given in the description box. Go out and enjoy the music, and I'll continue to enjoy my music. Bye bye, take care.